Before we install the camera, let's have a quick unboxing. Here comes the warning sticker and instruction booklet first. Then here's the solar panel. It comes with a Type-C and cable. With only 2 hours of direct sunlight per day, it can provide enough power to the battery inside the camera to operate 24 hours. The drill location stickers. To make it easier for you to locate where to drill holes in the wall during installation, the backup waterproof plug, the screws, and the wall anchors. The installation mount. A backup charging cable. When the weather is bad and the solar panels are not generating enough power to run the camera, you can take it down and bring it to indoor to fully charge it. Here's the mounting bracket, screws, and the wall anchors. You have the flexibility to set the angle you need for the installation. Here's the camera itself. Let's take the protective film out. Oops, well, it doesn't look perfect to the use anyway. Let's take a look on the camera. Here's the lens. It can take 3 megapixels resolution videos. This is the motion sensor. It is for activate the camera recording when it detects something alive passing by, and it can activate the floodlights at night to warn and scare away intruders. Meanwhile, it will also activate the siren. Pretty loud, have to say. The camera can rotate around 355° and 90° tilt. Here's the Wi-Fi antennas. Here's the Type-C charging port. It's the place where you connect with the solar panel or charging it via Type-C cable indoors when the weather isn't that good for the solar panel to generate enough power. The micro SD card port, reset, and power button are under this waterproof cover. It's quite thick and sealed, and thanks to the location of it on the camera, the water is nearly no way to get in from here. That's all you can find in the box of the Q1 Max camera. Let's take it out to install it. Put the solar panel at the place that have direct sunlight first. Then install the camera at the place you need it. Finally, plug the cable that comes with the solar panel into the camera's charging port. And done! Your Q1 Max camera start to protecting your home safer and simpler from now.